Good morning. My name is Dan Brassington. I'm the CEO and co-founder of ERN. Today we're really excited to launch our big data platform called Loop. Loop not only captures, stores and analyzes transactional data in real time. It enables targeted coupons for consumers, top of wallet behavior for issuers, increased transactions for inquirers, and increased footfall and sales for merchants. To take you on this journey, I'll pass you over to Andrew Rush and Anant Patel.
Thank you very much. So good morning, everybody. What we're going to do today is try and demonstrate for you how card issuers and retailers can actually work together and leverage their relationships to better value, to drive real-time performance and value for each other. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a fictitious retailer called Marks & Lewis. And this Marks & Lewis is actually going to create a new mobile coupon campaign using the data analytics that sits within the ERN big data platform that we call Loop. So we're going to create a buy one, get one free offer. The campaign itself is going to last for just 2 weeks. And with Loop, we're able to actually leverage redemption codes, such as alphanumeric, barcode, and QR codes, but which actually enables the retailer to not have to make changes to their IT platforms. So again, seamless integration from a retailer's perspective. What it also does is that by actually capturing redemption information about the coupon itself, it allows both the retailer and the card issuer to specifically know who is actually using the coupon, which gives valuable data to be further placed into the data repository, the big data platform that we call Loop. So we're going to then look at the targeting of the offer a little bit further. Excuse me. And here we've decided to focus on a flagship store in central London. And we're actually going to geofence this particular coupon, so to try and create maximum effect. We're going to actually leverage it around a 500-meter radius of the primary store. So what our data platform actually enables here is the targeting on both a segmented basis and the ability to actually create various categories of campaign testing. And we can move from creation to delivery of a mobile couponing campaign for either a credit card issuer or for a merchant in a matter of minutes. And as most of us will be aware, message marketing is particularly effective. Redemption rates are not uncommonly typical, between 20% and 70%. And we also know that when you receive a message, typically more than 90% of individuals will actually look and read and potentially act on that message within just 15 minutes. A really, really effective mechanism to actually encourage the use of the credit card program, but also of the retailer's promotion. What we're going to look now is also that from a Loop's perspective is we can actually also track the actual campaign itself on a performance basis that allows us to see it minute by minute in terms of how it's actually generating activity. So the key things here from both a retailer perspective and potentially a credit card issuer perspective is that they can decide whether they want to replicate the offer and roll it out much more quickly. They can decide whether they want to actually adjust the performance metrics or the actual criteria of the promotion itself. And they can adjust it by time, location, as well as the actual promotion itself. They could also even choose to withdraw it if they wanted to. And in that instance, they may wish to withdraw it because the promotion itself has been unsuccessful and replace it with something entirely different. But equally, they may want to actually withdraw it because it's been too successful and then actually reassess from there. So just imagine from a retailer's perspective how effective that could be in terms of helping them achieve their end-of-month sales targets. So that gives real power in terms of the relationship that a retailer and a credit card issuer may wish to drive together. So from the power of Loop, they're able to use the shared data that enables all parties to actually gain value from the real-time delivery of targeted time and location relevant offers. And the key thing here is that from a credit card issuer's perspective, they can become a payment tool of choice to their customers. And from a merchant's perspective, they can increase footfall and spend. So now we're just going to switch to iPhone, please. And here we're going to look at things now from a customer's perspective. So the customer's actually been encouraged to sign up for the service from either their issuer or indeed from their merchant. And they've been promised to receive very targeted offers. So the point about the big data platform is that it's not that then the consumer would necessarily be receiving a myriad of different offers, but rather that because of the power of the data, they would be able to receive much more segmented and targeted offers based on the analysis of the transactional history, the previous transactional history. So in this instance, our customer is a Miss Jones, and she's actually going to do some quick Saturday shopping. She's entered into a promotional area that's been predefined by Marks & Lewis, and she's decided to look at the blue jeans offer. She usually looks at workwear, but today she's actually decided to look at the offer that she's just received. And using the mobile, she can also see other offers that are actually nearby to her as well and indicate whether she likes those offers or dislikes those offers. And again, that provides other valuable data points to collect to further enhance future targeting. And on the coupon itself, as you click into the coupon, for her to be able to redeem, all she needs to do is show the barcode in this instance, and again, it interacts with the pre-existing solution that the merchant already has, whether it be QR code, alphanumeric code, or barcode, and there she receives the offer itself. So, and Marks & Lewis, as well as the issuer, again, get that valuable redemption information. Importantly, there's also real-time notification in the form of a digital e-receipt that can be provided. And again, this can combine both data from a merchant perspective as well as a card issuer perspective. So again, very, very valuable information from a consumer's perspective to know that the item has taken place successfully. So without further ado, I'll pass you back to Dan for the conclusion.
So there you have it, a big data platform that provides actionable insight from transactional data. We're really excited about the Loop big data platform. We'd like to talk to issuers, acquirers, merchants, and of course investors. Thank you very much.